In this section, I will answer the question that I received from the viewers. So now I have a questions that I received from Jean. Jean is from Penang. Her questions goes like this. She said, "Hi Yap, I'm Jean from Penang. Always watch your Money Life show. My question is, what is your opinion on investing in EPF?" I guess she means ETF, or index fund such as S&P 500 index. If our desired yearly return is 10%, is ETF better investment tool than individual stock pick? Thanks in advance. So we have a very polite Jean from Penang. See, first we need to find out what is ETF. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Okay, what it is? ETF is an investment to gain an investment performance that matches the market performance of the underlying index that the ETF tracks. I am not so sure whether you are lost already, but let me give you an example. Say for example, ETF for KLCI, okay, is an investment that is used to track the performance of the whole KLCI. And there is also an ETF for Hong Kong stock market. There is also an ETF for like US S&P 500. So Jean, you asked me, is ETF better investment than individual stock? You see, to do well in stock investing, you need to have three important criteria. Number one, you must have enough time to do the research, to do the investing. Number two, you must have enough knowledge. You must acquire a lot of knowledge about stock investing. Number three, you must have strong interest to enjoy stock investing. So if you have all these three important criteria and you are very sure about it, of course you can proceed to invest in the one stock, and of course that will actually will help you to do well if you are very sure that you have the three criteria. But I would still suggest you to rather invest into one stock. I would suggest you to build a portfolio of the stocks that will help you to reduce your investment risk. If you can't fulfill the three criteria that I mentioned, I would suggest that you use ETF to gain stock market exposure to achieve your investment objective. Okay? However, when we want to grow money with high certainty, we don't really have to force ourselves to choose one investment out of the two investments. We can actually use direct stock for certain asset class, and we can use ETF for certain asset class to achieve our investment objective. Hey there, if you like my video, please remember to subscribe to my channel.